Welcome to the St. Mary's University course registration tutorial. This is a two-part tutorial that will take you through the process of how to register for your first year courses. Before you register for courses, you must accept your admission offer through the application portal, and you also must pay your admission deposit. This is a non-refundable deposit that will be posted to your student account and applied directly to your tuition. Once you've paid your deposit, you will need to activate your St. Mary's University email, which can be done at activate.smu.ca. You'll need to enter your A number, which is your student number, and you can find that on the top of your acceptance letter. Your PIN, the first time that you log in, will be your birthday in the format day, month, year. So 2 digits for day, 2 digits for month, and 2 digits for year. Once you input this information and submit, you will be prompted to change your password, and you will also receive your St. Mary's University email address. So you might want to write down your email address and the password that you have recently changed, because you will need those credentials shortly when we learn how to use self-service banner. So once you've activated your account, we are going to find the first year course registration guides. To do that, you'll want to start at the St. Mary's homepage, which is smu.ca. From here, we'll hover over future students and choose view all. Then we'll hover over registration and first year course requirements. If you are a transfer student, or if you are somebody who has transfer credits to incorporate into your schedule, then you will want to reach out to your academic advisor just to ensure that you're properly working those credits into your schedule. You will find out how and where to contact your academic advisors shortly. So now that we're at the first year course requirements page, we will select first year course registration guide. And this is a very in-depth guide. It has a lot of information and tips, so we do recommend that you read it through before you start registering for classes. In here, you're going to find the course registration requirements for each program, as well as elective options, scheduling tips, how to contact your academic advisor if you need additional support. So as you go through the guide, we will start here at the Bachelor of Arts, and I will quickly go over the requirements. So this is the BA breadth requirements. You'll see there's a few different areas of subject groupings that you will need to choose from. We're going to see credit hours, and then you're going to see different subject options that you have. So 3 credit hours is equal to 1 class or 1 course. So you might hear me use course and class. Those are just interchangeably used. They mean the same thing. So 1 class or 1 course is going to be 3 credit hours. If you see 6 credit hours, that means that you will need to be taking 2 classes from this subject area or 1 full year class. So any 1 class that is 6 credit hours is equivalent to a full year class, which means you're taking the first half of the class in the fall semester and the second half of the class in the winter semester. If you see 9 credit hours, that's going to be 3 classes from these subject areas, and 12 credit hours is 4 classes from these subject areas. You will then see the Bachelor of Environmental Studies requirements. So it's a little bit different. There's not a credit hour amount and then a subject area. You have more of a scheduled class guide that you're going to follow. You will see there are some options for you to choose, but it's a little bit more structured. Same with the Bachelor of Commerce. The course requirements are laid out, and then you can choose your electives from the options that they have suggested. There is the elective guide for the commerce program here, and same with science. So for the Bachelor of Science, you're going to find the subject area that you are interested in science, and you can follow that suggested course guide and your science elective options. So once you have gone through the course registration guide and kind of familiarize yourself with what your first year might look like, I want to show you something that's called the academic calendar. So you can find this at smu.ca/calendar, and this is a very useful document or website. On the right hand side, we'll choose undergraduate, and then we will go to courses A to Z, and you can choose all of the different subject areas at St. Mary's and see what classes or courses are available in that subject. So if I am a student who is in the Bachelor of Arts, I know I need 3 credit hours in any English at the 1000 level. If I want to take a quick look at what different English classes are offered at St. Mary's, I can choose English and I can read a description of all of the different courses that are available in this subject. So I also can tell what year or level of a class each individual course is. So if I see English 1100, I know that because this starts with a 1, it's a first year class. Classes that start with a 2 are second year classes, 3 third year, and 4 fourth year. Now, not every class will be available in every semester. In the next part of the registration tutorial, we will go through how to see what classes are available in each specific semester, but this is a really great place to use if you are wondering what is exactly taught in the class that you're looking at. So we will pause there for now, and in part 2 of the course registration tutorial, we will navigate self-service banner. So this is where we will actually log in, see the classes that are offered in each semester, and we'll start to build your schedule. So I will meet you in part 2.